In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to redeem codes on Cookie Run Kingdom. Let's get started. Unlike many other games, you usually cannot redeem codes directly inside the app, so you'll need to use a web browser like Google Chrome or Safari instead. So launch it. Now here, type in Cookie Run Kingdom redeem codes and search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Navigate to this one, coupon.daveplay.com. Now you will need to enter your DavePlay account information which is linked to your Cookie Run Kingdom account. Then type in the redemption code you want to use. After entering both details correctly, tap on redeem button and your rewards will be sent directly to your game account. If you are not sure how to find your DavePlay account name, don't worry. Open Cookie Run Kingdom on a phone, tap three-line menu or settings icon, then go to settings. Inside the settings menu, you will find your account information and an option to copy your DavePlay ID. Paste that ID into the redemption website, enter your coupon code and you are all set. That's the easiest way to redeem codes in Cookie Run Kingdom and claim free rewards like crystals, coins and other in-game items. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.